Take action now before December 12th because Mercury Retrograde is coming. All right, so here's Bitcoin. We are hanging out up here, up in the clouds, 44,000 or almost 44,000. One thing that's very interesting is on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. If you take a look back in October, we were already at 72. And since then, Bitcoin has gone off on a tear. Let's take a look. And so late October, Bitcoin was around 35,000. And since then, we've gone all the way up to 44,000. Okay, we've gone off on a tear. But the very, very interesting thing is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has not gone up much at all. In fact, it is sitting back down at 72. This is very strange. Got me scratching my head here. But one thing that's very interesting, especially right when it went up to 44,000, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index went down. Very strange phenomenon. Could this be marking a shift in the market? And right when we're heading into Mercury retrograde, also, right on this day, December 6th, we had Neptune turn direct. And historically, I proved in my couple videos ago that Neptune typically kind of pauses out the Bitcoin price chart. It either leads to consolidation or a dump, usually, unless it's in a massive bull run. So it looks like we are, at least for sure, consolidating here on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And we are, if we go on the daily, we are consolidating a bit on the Bitcoin price chart. See this? We have 2 days down. We'll see what the daily closes for today. But very interesting. Now, it's important to be practical with your crypto investments at this time before December 12th, as Mercury, let's take a look here. Mercury is in Capricorn. Capricorn is the sign of practicality, limitation, hard lessons in reality, structure, things of that nature. Very masculine sign, kind of a hard sign, likes hard work. So it's in Capricorn, it's in that sign. So the themes are be practical with your investments, get into the nitty gritty 3D reality, potentially be prepared for all scenarios. That's a practical thing to do, right? Don't risk having regrets. And so Mercury is going to be heading forward, but then it's going to head backwards. So the decisions you're making now is going to make or break the rest of this month and the beginning of 2024. Because you'll see here, and here's the planet Mercury right here. And there it says Mercury. So it's going to go to 8 degrees on December 12th. And then when it turns red, it's going to turn red, this number here. It's going retrograde. So now it's going retrograde, and as you can see, it's going backwards. The numbers are going down, and then it switches to Sagittarius. It's going to go up all the way to 22 degrees Sagittarius. That's a different sign. And then it's going to come back to Capricorn. It's going to go back up, and then you can see this symbol here is Capricorn. So in a sense, it went backwards, and then it's going to head forwards again. When it goes backwards, when it retrogrades, that is a time for reflection. And it's not a good time to sign contracts or make any major deals or major decisions. So it wouldn't be a great time to make any crazy decisions in crypto or, I don't know, do something crazy or make some major commitment, some major investment. It would be best to do that before December 12th. So we have only 5 more days to do this, to prepare. And so prepare now. Get your strategy figured out completely by December 12th. We have 2 potential scenarios. Be prepared for both. Have a strategy for Bitcoin and an altcoin run scenario. So that would be Bitcoin going off on a tear, going up. Everyone's going to be all excited about that. That's probably what most people are planning for, as people get really excited during these times when we're up in the clouds. Let me switch to this brush. So be prepared for a scenario, that scenario where we're just going up, probably to either to 48 or 50K. That would be the most bullish scenario. And then further altcoin run. But also be prepared for this scenario as well. So, because in that scenario, which is possible, definitely possible, I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but probably one of these scenarios is going to happen. So in that scenario, if Bitcoin dumps, then the altcoins are going to dump even further, most likely. So, would you be able to handle that emotionally? So it is important to prepare now, and I am offering private astrology readings where I'll look at your personal astrology with this new moon and Mercury retrograde heading up on December 12th and prepare you for 2024. As Mercury retrograde is, when it goes back direct, is in the next year. It will be in January. All right, so this is preparing for 2024. I'll also review your entire year 2024 astrology. I've never done this before in these sessions, but I will go through month by month to review your 2024 astrology. How would you like me to personally do that for you? That would be very fun, very exciting. There'd be so much information to look at, so many exciting changes for next year, I'm sure, in your life and in your crypto portfolio. I also look at the crypto astrology. And so let's make 2024 your best year yet. All right, let's do it. So this is by far my best offer yet, with the most value packed into one package. All right, and I'll also throw in some incredible bonuses. So here's a list here. Maximize your crypto success in 2024 with me. You get that private session. That's a 90-minute, it's called a quantum alignment session, including a personalized natal astrology reading each month of next year. Super high value. I've never done this before, and I'm really excited about it. And then I'll also bonus you all these incredible things: a detailed Bitcoin astrology analysis for 2024, so you can be well prepared for the next year. Super high value. Additionally, basic altcoin astrology analysis for 2024. This will be your choice. You can choose between any of these altcoins: XRP, Ethereum, Solana, ICP, Polkadot, or Tesla stock. I can look at the astrology for those altcoins and for Tesla stock to help you in preparing for the markets next year, and specifically kind of map out what I'm seeing with those specific coins. All right, I'll also bring to you the altcoin developer data report that my colleague and I are putting together to help you identify the top 20 altcoins. All right, I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, but basically the altcoin developer data is proven historically to outperform, the coins with the highest developer data outperform the top 20 altcoins by market cap. All right, let me know if you have any questions about that. And then bonus number 3, basic profit taking strategy, so you can avoid losses and benefit for the next crypto run. Most of us lost money in 2021, right? You saw your portfolio go down, 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 down. It was brutal. It was painful. Do you want to go through that again? I don't think so. So let's set up a basic profit taking strategy so you can profit and get cash flow from crypto, so it can actually improve your life. Versus just watching your portfolio go up and down constantly every single year, which is whatever. Some people like that, but I don't know. It doesn't necessarily provide value to your life in 3D reality. All right, so bonus number 4, private follow-up Q&A call. That's optional. You can get an additional call with me. That's super high value, $497 value, arguably. And bonus number 5, this is super high value here. Full access to my brand new private curated crypto Astro Mastermind group with like-minded, experienced investors and traders just like you. All right, this is not just your typical group where it's just a bunch of people thrown in a group and a bunch of random comments constantly blowing up your phone. No, this is a highly curated group of experienced investors and traders who are bringing lots and lots of value to the group every week. And it's like I said, it's a small, private, curated group. You also get, you can ask me any questions about the Bitcoin astrology. And by the way, this is lifetime access. All right. So you also get, guidance from me every month where I'll just for fun, kind of in the flow, I'll look at your personal astrology, give you some tips each month, as long as I have the time available. All right. So lifetime access, guys, that's super high value, priceless. All right. So trust me, with Bitcoin peaking really high lately, it could be a very, very intelligent decision to have some cash right now. I have personally taken some profits around this level right here, around 44K. And trust me, you could use some crypto easily to pay for the investment for this incredible, incredible package here with all this value. And I guarantee you will make the money back. If you apply everything that you learn with me, you could make it back within a couple months, 6 months, or a year. Pretty easy to make the investment back. All right. All of this is only, it's a $5,000 value, but if you type in the coupon code, I'll show you here, to the moon, we should have spots available. Bring that price all the way down to only $497 for all of this incredible value. Now, if that wasn't it, if that seems a little high for you or whatever, we also have a payment plan. All right. Even though I guarantee you that investment, you will pretty easily make that back. And so we also have a payment plan of only 6 installments of $99, guys. All right, this is killer deal. And arguably the risk is on me. I'm gonna give you all this value and you can spread out the payments for 6 months, all the way to 2024. Plus, I'll be helping you with your personal astrology and Bitcoin astrology every month next year, all right? I'm gonna over deliver. I'm gonna give you support. You're gonna be in my private mastermind group. I'm gonna continue to guide you, all right, in that group. And I will prove the value of this program to you now and over the next 6 months and beyond in 2024, all right? Guys, all right. I think that's all I gotta say with that. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll be coming out with a lot more crypto astro videos, so stay tuned. Much love to you guys. I'm happy to give you all this value. Please subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you on the next video.